Hi! In front of me is OnePlus Nord N30, and today I would like to show you how you can set up an alarm clock. Begin by opening Clock app, and after selecting Alarm section at the bottom left corner, tap on those three dots at the top right one. Then select Settings in the pop-up and adjust all of those under Alarms however you wish to. When you finished, go back. Now to add your alarm, select this plus at the bottom and set up an hour. Now you can select Ring Once or pick Custom. If you wish to set up Custom, click on it and select Days of the week. I will go with Fridays and Wednesdays. Following that, click on Alarm Name. Label your alarm however you wish to, if you wish to, and scroll down to access ringtone and vibration. Now select the best option for your incoming alarms. You can set up Weather Adaptive, and this way enjoy different ringtone every time. Weather shifts. You can tap on Spotify under Custom and log in to your account. Tap on this device to pick music from your smartphone, or just select one of those system ringtones, like beep. Wherever you decided, when you're ready, tap on Vibration section and decide if you wish to synchronize them with ringtone, disable them completely, or apply one of those vibration patterns like heartbeat. Then go back, tap on snooze, and adjust it by tapping on interval to select how many minutes it will take, and times to select how many times it will repeat. You can also disable it completely thanks to this switcher next to it. Finally, to save your new alarm, just click on this check mark at the top right corner. So when I do that, as you can see, my alarm was successfully created. You can switch it off completely by tapping on this switcher next to it and clicking on one of those options. You can turn them back on the same way. If you want to, you can also get rid of it completely by holding it, choosing Delete at the bottom, and as you can see after that, my alarm was deleted. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to leave a like, comment and subscribe. Bye!